ng market. Manatiling nakatutok.
Kaya hindi ako makahiga sa kama namin. Hi, Ma. Bakit?
Matay ang isang 23 taong gulang.
To be honest, guys, this is really what my mom does in the morning. Nag-check siya ng cellphone. And for me, hindi ako pwede makatulog.
Ni Generoso ang sinasabing may problema sa pag-iisip.
Ngayon ko na na-realize, yung vlog ko pala yesterday, January 11. Today is January 12, it's Monday already. It's about 30 minutes long. I have to delete some videos na parang irrelevant. Tapos, I had like 2 videos na one is 5 minutes, one is 7 minutes long. Oh my God! Ang daldal ko! Alam mo, minsan naiinis ako sa pagkamadaldal ko. But that's okay, you know, that's me. At, you know, kung kailangan nyo ng mga charger, cellphone, nagbebenta po kami. I'm not ashamed to tell people that I sell these kind of things because it's, you know, it's a clean way of earning money. I don't sell illegal things. At nanonood kami ng balita, puro negative na naririnig ko, Monday na Monday, parang ako, think positive, today's Monday, I luggage alert, hello.
Una na rin pinasabugan ang NPD Special Operations Unit noong
I'll talk to you guys in a while.
na ikinasugat ng isang 17.
Hey guys, I'm at Glorieta right now. I'm on my way to my meeting. I'm late. As always. So, this is kind of awkward when I'm vlogging at the mall. People are like looking at me. So, yun lang. Yan. Si Ate Solen andyan. Si Enchong may picture sa loob ng bench dito eh. Kaya pala gusto kong dumaan dito. Okay. Hey guys, okay, so I'm right now here at the Ayala Triangle. I'm just walking because I cannot take the bus. There's like massive traffic. That's an example. There's like massive traffic, so I don't want to ride a bus and get myself squished by small people that compiled into one vehicle. I don't want to be like that. So, yeah. People are like looking at me again. It's so weird. So, yeah. I'm just walking. Because I don't want to go home yet. Because it's traffic. No bus is available. And I'm bored. I went to a meeting. Nothing special happened though. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys in a while.